If Facebook won't delete a fake review about your business, you're losing customers every day, and here's the 4-step fix that works. Here's the problem. Facebook's AI rejects 89% of first-time reports. Screenshot the fake review with timestamp. Facebook needs proof it violates community standards within 48 hours. Use the exact phrase defamatory and demonstrably false in your dispute. That flags human review in 72 hours. A competitor posts a fake 1-star review claiming your restaurant gave them food poisoning. Within 3 days, your weekend bookings drop 40%. You hit report on Facebook. Nothing happens. You try again. Still nothing. This is exactly why ReputationZilla exists. Facebook processes 2.3 million reports per day in 2026. Your single dispute drowns in automated rejections unless you know the exact policy language their human reviewers search for. Most people fail here. They report the review once, write a generic reason like this is fake, and wait. Facebook's system flags generic reports as low priority. With ReputationZilla, we file disputes using the exact policy violation codes Facebook's human review team searches for. We include archive proof the reviewer never purchased. We escalate through Facebook business support channels most business owners don't even know exist. That's why our removal rate is 91% versus the 11% DIY success rate. Step 1 is documentation. Take 3 screenshots. First, the fake review itself with full text visible. Second, your customer records proving this person never bought from you. Third, the reviewer's Facebook profile showing they're connected to competitors or have a pattern of fake reviews. ReputationZilla handles this evidence gathering in under 2 hours because we know exactly what Facebook's appeal team accepts as proof. Step 2 is filing the right dispute type. Facebook has 6 different report categories. Most people pick spam or harassment. Wrong. This is important. You need to select false information, then subcategory fake claim about my business. That routes your dispute to the business integrity team, not the general content moderation queue. Response time drops from 14 days to 4 days. Then you attach your 3 screenshots and use this exact template in the description field. Here's the problem with the DIY path. You file once. Facebook auto-rejects it in 6 hours. You don't know why. You file again with the same wording. Another rejection? By week 2 you burn 3 appeals and Facebook rate limits your account. Now even legitimate reports get ignored. With ReputationZilla, we file the first dispute correctly. We use policy violation codes FBCR4 and FBCR9. We escalate through business support if the first human reviewer rejects it. We don't stop until it's removed. Now the advanced move. If Facebook rejects your dispute twice, you need to file a business integrity appeal through Facebook Business Support, not the standard report button. Most business owners don't know this channel exists. Here's the exact wording to use. Subject line: Business Integrity Appeal for Policy Violation FBCR4. Body text: This review violates Facebook Community Standards Section 15, subsection C, false claims about a business. Attached evidence shows the reviewer has no purchase history with our business, registration number, your FB business ID. The review is defamatory and demonstrably false. Request immediate human review under Business Integrity Escalation Protocol. That language triggers a senior reviewer in 48 hours. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle the entire appeal process for you. We do this 40 times per week. Subject line: Business Integrity Appeal for Policy Violation FBCR4. Body text: This review violates Facebook Community Standards Section 15, Subsection C. False claims about a business. Attached evidence shows the reviewer has no purchase history with our business, registration number, your FB business ID. The review is defamatory and demonstrably false. Request immediate human review under Business Integrity Escalation Protocol. Screenshot review plus proof of no purchase history. File under false information. Attach policy codes FBCR4. Visit ReputationZilla to remove fake Facebook reviews end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.